Good morning, everyone. This is my cat, Chantal. She is sleeping, guys. She is sleeping. She is dreaming now. Hello, everyone. Yan ang pusa namin na si Chantal. Kasi binantayan niya ang cellphone niyang charge. Kaya doon siya nakaupo at natulog. Patulog-tulog lang yan. Hindi pala tulog na. Ayan na. Ano ka ni Chantal naman? Natulog mo na ang Chantal, Chantal, Good morning, everyone. Chantal is my name.